I'm Tom Evans, and this is That Stuff Abroad. Welcome to the Green Nature Resort in Turkey, the Dalaman area. Don't quote me if I said that correctly. Here is the main entrance to the hotel. Your coach will roll up here, park up here, and out you go. And basically on the right is the main entrance. So once you've got your suitcases off, come straight up here and into the main bit here. Right on your right here is the main reception for checking in. When the door opens, so yeah, you just go over there, check in at the reception just here. You've got your two main elevators here. This is like your main lounge area. There's some snacks over there at the time, every now and again. Your main bar, which is open from 10 a.m. till midnight. Around here, all your bits and pieces. Over here is EasyJet holidays, TUI on the beach, Jet2, all that type of stuff for your information, etc. So following from here, this is level 0, just so you don't get yourself confused, and then it goes minus and pluses. So let's take the elevator and go to the main area. As I said, elevator just here. So this literally tells you where everything is on your bits and pieces. So we are going down to -2. And off we go. Ba-doom. Quite a nice hourglass view, so you can kind of see where you go, apart from this bit. This shows you straight into your restaurant. Look at all this. Right, there you go. You've got all your main bits and pieces here. We will have a look in a second when they all open. But for now, straight into the restaurant. Let's go. All your bits of food are all served up here. You've got seating down there, seating behind. Out here is extra food as well. And then you've got all your seating around here too. So outside seating as well. Just like a nice little loop. The dining area. Like I said, all your bits and pieces, your food. It's in the buffet, the main, so breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is a snack bar located over here. I'm going to grab myself a coffee. Cheers all. Morning coffee. If you exited the main restaurant, there's multiple exits. Go forward, as you can see, basically this is your main swimming pool area. You've got your slides over there. This is main swimming pool 1, I guess you could call it. Main swimming pool 2 is on your left. They're pretty much identical. As you'll see when we get there. And following down over to there will be your second big pool. You also do have an indoor pool that we will go into depth in a bit. This building just here as well is your main outdoor bar area as well. So as I was saying, main pool number 2, just there. You have a little kids pool there. Also a little kids pool just there as well. This one's slightly deeper than the other one there. And this is one of many pools you can have. They're all about the same size, and you've got the mini pools. Over there is your other bars as well. Behind these bars, this little stage here, and the second main pool, you walk down here and keep following, you have a little football area. There's a basketball area, and this is where your main little park is for children to play in. So yes, the main park area for the kids outside. And just this section over here will have your shop. There's two shops, so this one shop here and your snack bar, which we will also, like I said, go into more detail when we get there. Make sure you check in the description if there's anything specific you want to know. I should have time codes at all the bits and pieces. Can't beat a morning coffee though. Right, let's have a look around the shop. Morning. Another shot of your pools and your slides from up above. It's cold. Shit. And as you can see, the surrounding areas. So just see where you've got different complex parts to that. So that's one hotel area there, it's hotel area here, and the one I'm stood in right now. I'm in the main one, which I'll show you in a second. Up there, as you can see, is your restaurant, which is a paid restaurant that you can go to for some slightly better food. Don't get fooled with that. You have to pay to go on there. Grr. This is your games room here, which is open from 10 till midnight. So inside your games room, so you have a 24-hour doctor there, the photo studio for bits and pieces, photographs of family and all this. They have an on-site tattoo parlour. And then there's a hairdressers and stylists pieces. In here is your Turkish spa. Follow down here and you'll go to the swimming pool. Oh yeah, this way, Ollie. It's got all your massages, sauna, steam room, got a gym down here, a little bit of everything. And if you go all the way down, right down to the bottom, your indoor swimming pool is just here. So we can have a look at that. Indoor swimming pool just in there. Right, back in the elevator. As I said, I'm on, back in the main elevator, I'm on -1, which is my hotel room area, which goes straight through here. Very noisy in the morning, Also, if you have to check out early, that's the luggage storage room where you get to store your luggage until you go if you want to. Toilets here as well. I'm assuming this used to be a bar area because it's got a bar here, and then through these doors are like chairs and tables, but they don't seem to be open anymore, so maybe they open during more peak time, I don't know. So anyway, straight through here is where my room is, so I have a little tour of the room. So straight into your room, put your key in there. Don't try and put any key in there because it won't work. Then you got your bathroom in here, shower, 2 different types of shower, one up there, one down there. Obviously bathroom, toilet, yada yada. Cupboard for your storage, a little safe, more cupboard showers. Then you've got your things. We've moved things around. They do supply a cot for little ones, more cupboards, etc. TV that just have literally everything on there. So, yeah, little fridge. So, store your bits and pieces. And then straight out here, you have a little balcony with not such a great view here, but hey ho. Sorry about all the mess, because, you know, messy room. Right, that's your room. This is your main outside entertainment pool area bar, open till 8 I think, or a little bit later, maybe 10 I think, don't quote me. Right, down here is the kids club. You can get rid of your kids basically if you want to, as long as they're 4 and above I think, which is open from 10 till 12:30, 2:30 till 5, and then 9:30 till midnight. Soft play here, and then you've got all your bits and pieces in here, kids activities, so plenty to do in the child's entertainment area. This is your little snack bar for the afternoon, during the day when the main restaurant isn't open. Snack bar here, and you've got ice creams available just over here, so don't go to the shops and buy ice cream because you can get exactly the same ice creams just here for free. So yeah, just over there near your snack bar is your main bar for this area. Right, late night entertainment is just here near the kids club. Some pool entertainment.
Yes. Oh, so you have to do it like this. Close the door. And 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I hope you've enjoyed this brief and hopefully informative video. If there's any questions you have, let me know. And you've been watching That Stuff with Tom Evans. Woo!